Hey guys, in today's video analysis I will talk about the British pound versus the US dollar. Here's the disclaimer, please read it, and you can send an email to support if you have questions. So let's take a look. British pound, the US dollar. Surprisingly or not, the British pound US dollar crashed in the short term. Personally, I've talked about the dollar index DXY today in the market breakdown video, and I've said that taking out the downtrend line and staying above 99.57, taking out this downtrend line may signal a potential rebound. Right now, a larger rebound is still far from being confirmed, only because we have this former high 100.18 as resistance, upside obstacle, and key resistance. But right now it has rallied, it has retested here the demand zone, and accumulating, consolidating here, or making a new higher high could signal potential larger rebound, and this scenario should force the US dollar to appreciate for these rivals. And I've said that surprisingly or not, the currency pair dropped, even if today the retail sales, core retail sales, industrial production, capacity utilization rate came in worse than expected. Okay, so poor US economic data. Also here the Canadian Consumer Price Index only 0.1% growth versus 0.3% growth expected, and that's why I've said that this sell-off was a surprise in the short term. But you can see here that it has ignored the immediate the former low here. Also maybe here we had the former low breakdown, and maybe guys, maybe the price action signaled the potential larger correction, a potential sell-off, because after this amazing rally, a retreat was natural, only because the price action maybe signaled an overbought, and a corrective phase per retreat was natural. Also after reaching maybe this zone here, but it has jumped, it has taken out maybe, and it has validated this supply zone here. But as I've said, after this amazing rally, maybe a retreat is natural. That's why right now, guys, a breakdown here, it has tested retested the supply zone, a new supply zone here. It has taken out 1.3050, and staying below it could signal potential deeper drop, or coming back to retest the new supply zone maybe could bring us new short opportunities. Personally, I'm looking for potential shorts, for new selling opportunities here on this market. Actually, personally, I wanted to send a pending order today, but I've decided to send a pending order in US dollar versus the Mexican peso. My position in US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and as I've said, taking out the immediate lows opened the door for a potential larger downside movement, a corrective phase. And personally, I'm looking for shorts, for selling opportunities. As I've said, this is my opinion about this market, and maybe temporary rebounds could bring us short opportunities, selling opportunities on this market. Personally, I will draw 1, 2, and 3 here, and as you can see on the 1 hour chart, breakdown also below the medium line, and in my opinion, as long as it stays below the medium line of the descending pitchfork here, the downside pressure is high, and the price could approach and reach at least the 23.6, and the lower medium line also the pivot point. Right now, maybe I'll wait for a potential new rebounds, for a potential bounce back before looking for potential shorts, because right now I'm keeping that US dollar versus the Mexican peso as US dollar long. a trade, because I've talked about the US dollar today in that market breakdown video, but personally I wanted to talk about the British pound versus the US dollar also, because personally I'm expecting a potential sell-off, potential larger correction in the short term. Guys, tomorrow the United Kingdom Consumer Price Index, the inflation data, which could really shake the markets. Lower inflation could force the currency pair to approach and reach new lows, to hit new lows. Please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.